Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are headed up Mount Nebo in Arkansas. It's kind of a curvy road through, but it's pretty cool. There's a 300L rally behind us, looks like. I think it could be a 250. But beautiful day. What's the temperature now? It says 85. I don't know if it's that warm. Yeah, 82 probably is. Pretty cool road up through here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day too.
And you definitely have to watch for deer up here because there's usually a lot of deer up in here. So the DCT is awesome on stuff like this. You don't have to worry about lugging or clutching or anything. It's always in the perfect gear for sure.
With our friend Kevin and our friend Cindy.
Yep, they're up in front of us.
They did have their helmets on, but Cindy's helmet went dead, so they decided to go without their helmets because they like doing that. So they're enjoying their ride doing that, and we're enjoying ours like this. It's pretty up through here.
It is, and there's some really sharp curves up through here. It's actually the furthest we've had the Goldwing from the house. I don't know how far away we are from the house. I didn't actually measure that, but we are, let's see, we got 956 miles on the bike so far. It's kind of strange not clutching, especially on something like this where normally I would clutch it and shift down or change gears. You don't have none of that. You just throttle and it puts it in the right gear. Works pretty slick.
And just in case if anybody wants to know, we sold Old Blue, the Shadow.
Yeah, the Shadow's gone.
It's gone. Went to my friend Jessie, she bought it. So now she's going to enjoy getting to ride on Old Blue now. So adventure on that is for her. Happy trails to her on her new bike.
Yep. She'll enjoy it. It's a nice bike.
Perfect for her. Perfect size and everything. Exactly what she was looking for.
Yeah, in these tight corners like this, it's like there's something missing. And that's what it is. It's the clutching and shifting. It just feels strange not doing it. I've not noticed it so much just riding, but when you get stuff like this, I mean, it's not a problem. It's just I'm so used to doing it. It's like, what am I missing here? Super cool. Really, it's beautiful, shaded up through here. I think there's lots of hiking trails up in here too.
Yep, it is.
Park closes at 10 p.m. Except for people that live up here. There's some people that actually live up here.
Yeah, they do. Now, right up here on this next corner is usually where we have seen that set of twins when we come up here. There's usually a set of twin fawns, but that's been a while, so they're probably all grown up and have their own babies.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure. There's some different lookouts. There's one right here. Don't know if he's going to stop at it or not. No, don't look like it. There's a cool lookout there. And there's another one on top up here. Not actually on top yet. This is not the tallest one in Arkansas. The tallest one is Mount Magazine.
But this one, personally, has the best views to me.
To me, and it's the best drive up and down both sides, or up the thing. It's better than the other one. I mean, Mount Magazine, I don't like it as good. It's got the one lookout spot, which is really good, and the rest of it, Also cool. Now, Pettit Jean is another one, and it's really cool. There's
Yeah.
a lot more on Pettit Jean than any of the places. They got a lake up there too. You can even fish.
Yep.
But Mount Nebo, if you're in Arkansas, this is a good place to go. It's just south of Russellville, Arkansas, a little ways. Beautiful ride. Highway 155, I believe.
Gladiator.
A green Gladiator.
Lots of campers. This is where some of the campers are at.
Oh, yeah.
They're up here on Nebo.
There is a bunch, yeah.
We figured for being Memorial Day weekend that every lake and creek and river be plumb full, but everywhere we drove past today, it's not been swamped like it usually is.
Yeah, this is the Sunday. Memorial Day's tomorrow, so. And it's really not been as crazy as you'd think for Memorial Day.
No, it's not. It's actually pretty laid back.
Yeah. Hopefully he's going to stop at this one up here. We're just playing follow the leader.
Yeah, we're letting Kevin lead today.
Take me to your leader. Oh, it's cool right here. It's nice. Air conditioning through here. Yeah, this is a good lookout. This is the best one.
Yeah,
here.
this is a good one. This is really pretty. This is where I got my close-up shots of the Roadrunner that one time. Beep beep Roadrunner. Look how pretty it is across there.
Neutral.
Cindy, you're YouTube famous now. Because Frank's recording. He got the back of you.
Just your backside is YouTube famous.
Yeah, just your backside. See, look how pretty it is.
Yeah, I've never been up here when they're doing the hang gliding.
Huh?
That is a big view.
Oh, no. You even brought your glue with you, didn't you?
I guess that's the windsock up there.
Oh, so you glued them on yourself? So did I. Yeah.
Oh, is that where they go off? So they're looking for that windsock. That's what the windsocks are for. Wow. It's an awesome view. It's big. Come over here. We go all the way around.
I got it. No, I got it covered, so hopefully
You can see a lot of Arkansas from up here.
Frank will edit it out if it did. That's why they got that streamer up there so they can see that to do their jumping. I didn't know that they done hang gliding up here.
Hopefully the wind ain't blowing too bad on the microphone. You can see that little wind marker they got there.
Yeah, just don't trip and fall.
Have a nice trip. See you next fall.
Oh, this is weird in these sunglasses trying to look down to try to walk. they're my prescription glasses, sunglasses, so it's kind of, I'm still trying to get used to them.
I'm used to mine now. They feel good.
I'm not. This is the first day I'm wearing these. I've been wearing my regular glasses to get used to them.
Uh-oh. Idiot alert. I said idiot alert.
What, throwing down trash?
Yeah, Bud Light in the tree. Bud Light with the rainbow can. Oh, don't fall.
This is about as far as back I'm going.
I'm
They
not
done
going.
some,
I'm not going to step out on that.
look at that, Frank. I think they cleared that all off over there.
Looks like yeah.
See? They got a road dozed off up there. I wonder if somebody's getting ready to build a house up there. There's a cleared off spot over there, and then there's that great big patch.
Pretty awesome. Sherry's all patriotic.
Yep, I am. I was yesterday too.
Okay, we're fixing to head out of here, Mount Nebo, and we're going to head toward Pettigene. So Pettigene, we'll put it in a different video, in the next video. So it'll be on Wednesday. But Pettigene is crazy not to go to it while you're down here because it's only like 20 miles away from Mount Nebo. So if you're ever down in this area, you just want to go over and check it out while you're at it. But if you watch Wednesday, I'll show the video of it.
I'm really surprised there ain't any deer out.
I haven't seen a one yet. That's crazy.
We always usually see them right there on that corner.
Yeah. Wrong time of day, I guess.
I guess so. No, well. In just a few short days, we'll be leaving on a trip. Woo! I'm excited.
Howdy. That dude was friendly. Now, these are some pretty good corners right here.
Yeah, they are.
You don't get much sharper than that.
Holy cow, dude.
Yeah, dude. He's trying to be cool in his sports car. His Jeep Ferrari thing.
That's funny. Hear the birds.
Yeah, I can hear the birds singing. They're happy.
Yep, they're happy, happy, happy. They're singing, singing, singing. Wish I could do that, Lloyd. That one kid did that day that me and Miss Kay was out shopping, and I pulled up to the store to pick her and grandson up after we got done shopping. And there was a bird that was out on the ground, but as he was getting in the back seat of the car, I kept hearing this bird that sounded like it was right there at the Jeep, and kept getting louder and louder and louder and louder. And then it sounded like it was in my Jeep. It was her grandson. It's like, what in the world? Is that you? And he said, yeah. It's like, I could have sworn it was that bird. I wish I could make bird noises like he did, because it's pretty dang awesome.
I kept hearing this weird sound, and I was looking down at my bike and thinking, what is that? But it's not. It's that pipes on that Harley. They're racking off a little bit as we're going down this hill.
That's funny.
That's what I was like, is it a rattling sound? What is it? It's just those exhaust pipes.
That's funny.
$15 miles an hour, or however fast you can make them, or take them. There goes some wings.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're going to get off here and close this video. We'll see you Wednesday when we show you Pettigene State Park. We're going to do the ride up that one. We're done with Mount Nebo. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below. Catch you on the next one. Ride on.
Right on.